Are you a GM vehicle owner? Ignoring transmission maintenance can lead to costly repairs. Let's explore effective transmission maintenance. Many GM transmissions are labeled lifetime fill. Yet, regular fluid service prevents expensive rebuilds costing thousands. Automatic transmission fluid is crucial. It lubricates components and provides hydraulic pressure for shifting. GM's newer transmissions require Dexron V full synthetic fluid. First service should occur every 45,000, based on usage. Neglecting service leads to issues. Burnt fluid can cause clutch slipping, harsh shifts, and overheating. This can damage clutch packs and valve bodies. If you notice problems, act quickly. A fluid and filter service can solve many issues. If symptoms continue, part replacements may be needed. Severe neglect might mean a rebuild costing $4,000 to $9,000. Can you drive with a problem? Yes, but with caution. If slipping or a burnt smell occurs, inspect it soon. Remember, neglect escalates repair costs. For proper maintenance, always use AC Delco Dexron V fluid. Avoid generic substitutes that can harm your transmission. Avoid common mistakes like using non-Dexron V fluids or neglecting the filter. Regular fluid exchanges are vital for longevity. In summary, proactive maintenance is crucial for your GM transmission health. Regular service saves you money and headaches. Want to know more? Visit GM Service Guy. Shop for insights and recommendations. Don't wait. Take charge of your vehicle's maintenance today.